we have installed our zip line for the kids, and Mom wants to try. And I better back up and save her before she falls into something.
Ready?
Yeah. Here she goes. Good job, Mom.
Thank you. Yours was better. Thank you. Who's the bigger kid? I think this was done for us.
And here's Johnny. Is that fun? You like your new zip line?
Yeah.
Love you.
I can't get out of here.
You
Love
stuck?
you, Daddy.
Love you. Bye.
Love you.
Say bye.
Bye, camera.
Say bye.